In the Pakistan Penal Code, mistake can serve as a defense under certain circumstances, particularly when the mistake negates the mens rea, which is the intent or knowledge of wrongdoing required for committing a crime. The relevant legal provisions for mistake as a defense in the Pakistan Penal Code are found under sections 76 and 79, which distinguish between mistake of fact and mistake of law. Section 76, act done by a person bound or by mistake of fact believing himself bound by law. This section deals with cases where an individual commits an act under the belief, due to a mistake of fact, that they are legally bound to do so. If a person genuinely believes they are performing a lawful duty, due to an error of fact, they are not liable for the offense. This section emphasizes that a mistake of fact can be a valid defense if the person acted in good faith. For example, a police officer arrests a person based on incorrect information but believes in good faith that the person is guilty. In this case, the officer may be protected under section 76, as the arrest was made under a mistake of fact. Section 79 provides protection to individuals who, by a mistake of fact, believe they are justified by law to act in a certain way. If the person acts in good faith, believing that their action is legally permissible, they can use this section as a defense. For example, if a person uses force to defend themselves, believing in good faith that they are being attacked, but later it is revealed that no real threat existed, the defense under section 79 might apply because the person acted based on a mistake of fact. Important clarifications. A mistake about a fact can serve as a defense if it negates the intent required for the offense. However, a mistake of law is not a valid defense. The maxim ignorance of the law is no excuse applies, meaning that one cannot claim a defense merely because they did not know a law existed. Case law. Several Pakistani cases interpret these sections. For example, in PLD 1996, SC 772, the Supreme Court held that an act done under a genuine mistake of fact may be excused under section 76. In 2015, SCMR 144, the court discussed the application of section 76 and 79 concerning the mistaken belief and how it must be in good faith to be considered a valid defense. In summary, under the PPC, mistake as a defense applies when a person, due to a mistake of fact and in good faith, believes they are justified in their actions. However, mistakes of law do not provide a defense in criminal cases.